Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are doing a walk around, startup, and a drive video on a 1977 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Now, this car is finished in its correct color. It's code 75, light red. This car has a 350 LM1 code engine in it. It is a factory 4-speed manual transmission. It is a real Z28. It has a 308 positive traction rear end, factory rear sway bar. It has vintage air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, disc brakes in the front, tilt wheel, rear window defrost, AM/FM CD player, staggered BF Goodrich tires on factory wheels, build sheet and original books. This car runs and drives fantastic. This is a beautiful car. A few little minor chips in it that I'll be happy to point out to you during the course of this video, but this car is absolutely stunning. Like I say, the right wheels, they are staggered, as you can see. The right stripe kit, the right stripe package, 77 Z28. You know, these cars were maybe not as popular years ago, but I'm telling you what, these cars are coming on strong. And this one is an absolute gorgeous car. The jams are very nice. Door panels, the seats, front and rear, are very nice shape. The carpet, the package tray, got a couple 6x9 Alpines back there. The rear panels, sail panels are nice. Headliner is very nice. Dome light works. Z28 steering wheel. Again, it's got the tilt steering column. 4-speed manual transmission. I don't know how many of these cars were built with a 4-speed, but I can't imagine it's a whole lot. Inside the trunk, got your spare tire in there. Got your jack underneath there. Got a little touch-up spot here, a little touch-up spot here, a little crack right here. Let's see if you might see a few little water droplets on this car. I had it outside and it started to sprinkle a little bit. It does have a little touch-up spot. There's a fly. That's just a speck of grass or something. One little touch-up spot here. Hard to see on this car, but it's got a couple little touch-up spots. But I tell you what a gorgeous car. I'll start it up here for you quick. Safety switch works. Odometer reads 7,192 miles. Tachometer works, the voltage gauge, the gas gauge. The clock even works. £50 of oil pressure, about 35-40 cold. Radio works. Horn, left turn signal, right turn signal. Vintage air conditioning below ice cold. It's got the upgraded LED headlights in it. Sounds great, looks great, runs great. Man, what a nice car. 77 Z28 Camaro. headlights for you. Glass is in good shape. Does have one small little scratch right here in the window. Other than that, it's in real good shape. That air blows ice cold. There she goes. Kicked her off fast idle. Choke works. Man, what a nice car. Let's take it out for a cruise quick. Gonna put the seat up just a little bit. Back a little too far for me. Here we go. Rear window defrost works. That's pretty cool. That's got like a blower on the rear window defrost and it works. What a nice car. Sprinkling just a little bit, as you can see. Wipers work. I'm just going to come back here and spin it around real quick. Clutch down all the way to the floor. It's raining, so I'm not going to go out and get out of the car and do a walk around video like I usually do. I'm not going to stand out in the rain. Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450, www.kinionauto.com. Give us a call again, 563-452-2450. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not already. And those of you who have, thank you very much. We really appreciate you watching all our videos and telling your friends and family about us. Have a great afternoon, everyone. I'll be right back with you with another great quality collector car. Thanks for watching.